right? Hence the part where we come into SQL. All right. Then you will also be writing SQL statements, writing SQL queries, talking about aggregate functions. And like I said earlier, you do not need any knowledge whatsoever. Just come as you are. Come as you are. You don't need any prior knowledge to be able to learn all of these things. Then we'll move into Tableau, where you learn Tableau basics like time series that we did today. You learn more about it. You learn aggregation, you learn filters, you talking about building your first dashboard in Tableau. What we did today is a tip of the iceberg. Of course, you're going to be learning so much more in class. All right. You'll be learning how to build your second dashboard and creating storylines in Tableau. You're going to be learning predictive analytics with Tableau. These are the things that you're going to be learning in the data analytics program. Okay, so this is this is going to be like the roadmap, the journey that you'll be taking, starting with problem solving techniques. So you move from problem solving techniques. This is, this is going to be basically you. Sorry for the if it looks weird. So this is you. You'll be starting from problem solving techniques. Then you go down to Microsoft Excel for analytics. You come this way, learn Microsoft Excel for analytics and everything that I've mentioned concerning Microsoft Excel for analytics. Then you move further to Power BI for business intelligence, right? So you move into Power BI for business intelligence. Then you move into SQL for data analytics, and of course Tableau as well. And then we also have special packages like the CV review, the LinkedIn optimization, and also the navigating the job market sessions. So the CV review is where we bring in experts to talk about how you can make your CV look so attractive that recruiters are after you. You know how this is, somebody is after you. Recruiters are going to be after you, like they want you to join their company. So we teach you how to model your CV in a way that positions you rightly for a job. Okay. We also do the LinkedIn optimization, where LinkedIn is very, very important. Now, some people, like I said earlier, you just go on LinkedIn and type in data analyst and you see different job roles. I think I'm just going to even show it here right now, so that we see what it looks like. You see different job roles and how people are getting jobs as data analysts every day. And of course, then you learn the navigating the job market. So analytics, we don't just teach you, we don't just give you fish, we teach you how to fish as well. So you're going to be learning how to optimize your LinkedIn, because LinkedIn is also very important. Some people don't even apply for jobs. Just by having a very optimized LinkedIn profile, they get jobs. All right. So these are things that are everywhere, and these are things that we're going to be introducing to you. Okay. So like I said earlier, the classes are like 100% virtual instructor-led classes. We also have the amazing 1-month virtual internship growth, virtual growth internship. All right. So this is where after your program, and after your capstone project, so after you've gone through problem solving, Microsoft Excel, Tableau, Power BI, SQL, and data visualization, then you do a capstone project, all right, where we bring all of these things together, and then you work on projects to showcase everything that you've learned. And after that, we have the 1-month virtual growth internship, where you're going to be working on real life case studies. You're working on real life case studies, and of course showcasing these case studies and this project on the internet. Okay, so we have the 1-month virtual growth internship, plus the CV review sessions, the LinkedIn optimization, navigating the job market. We also have the interview preparation sessions. Our students get job interviews a lot, and of course majority of them eventually land the jobs. Okay, so we have this thing where if you have a job interview and you need somebody to sit with you and prep you, we do that as well, right? For free, no charge. We do that as well. So we have the interview preparations, and then we have the weekly mentorship sessions, where we bring everybody together, and then we mentorship. Like, of course, there is no way you're embarking on a tech journey that you don't have people that you're looking up to. So we bring in people, people that've gone far in their career. We bring them in to speak to you. Now you can also position yourself for to become everything that you hoped to become. All right. So let me close up again. So now we said 3 months learning journey, which comprises of 2 months live classes and 1 month virtual internship. The virtual instructor-led classes are on Zoom, on Google Meet as well. Okay, so if you're in UK, you're in Europe, you're in Africa, you're in the Middle East, or you're in Asia, we have on Saturdays, your classes will be 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. That is West African time. That is for people in the UK, Europe, Africa, Middle East, and Asia. Now, for Sunday, we have something we call self-paced watch me do it videos, right? Self-paced watch me do it videos, where we pre-record the classes and then we give them to you. So we're just like find a balance between people that enjoy live classes and people that do not enjoy live classes and like watching videos, and so on and so forth. So we give you these watch me do it videos to go watch. Of course, during the week, we are with you. We have different channels like the Google Classroom, the Slack channel, the WhatsApp group. We're going to be communicating with you steadily. Okay. So we also have drop-in sessions where we come together to take questions on these watch me videos. Then on Saturday, we do a project based on what we've learned during the week. So your live classes are on Saturdays and Sundays, but we do weekly check-ins to ensure that students are watching the videos, and of course that they understand and we are all on the same page. So if you're in the UK, Europe, Africa, Middle East, and Asia, the classes will be on Saturday. Your live classes on Saturday will be 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. West African time, while on Sundays we have the self-paced watch me videos. Now, if you're in Canada, you're in USA, you are in North America, and so on and so forth, we have you covered. We've got you covered, right? So you also have classes on Saturdays as well, 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. Toronto, Canada time. 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. Toronto, Canada time. And then on Sunday, you also get the self-paced watch me do it videos. All right. Now you don't necessarily, if you take this program, you don't necessarily have to like become a data analyst. They have diverse profiles within the data analytics realm. It is not everybody will not become data analyst. Diverse programs that you can go for. You can become a web analyst, you can become a business intelligence analyst, a data analytics consultant, you can try the business analyst path, the HR analytics manager, product analyst, web analyst, logistics analyst. There's so much profiles, there's so much job roles to actually go for. You can become a traffic analyst, and so on and so forth. So there are diverse profiles within the data analytics realm. It isn't just it's not a career that is just based on one thing. There are so many things that you can explore and try out, right? So we also like give recommendations for you now. So say for example you get a job, right, and you need a recommendation. We'll give you recommendation letters, we'll give you all the support that you need to ensure that you're able to get on track, get a job and also get on track, right? So we've had students like ask for recommendation without abuse. So we have the CV review session. We have the to get sponsors as well. So we do like free, like all the time. Okay. We have the weekly mentorship sessions and career progression sessions as and on Upwork, Fiverr, Fiverr optimization, Upwork optimization, we teach stuff like that. Okay, tackle or get into the career from different angles. Okay, and I'm sure the founder and co-founder have been introduced earlier. This is our business performance in Tara Group, right? He has over 8 years experience. We have the co-founder as well. These are going to be your facilitators. This will be the people that are going to be facilitating these programs. Adiza Suleiman, the founder, Ifemina Ipro, the co-founder, Open data scientist in Access Bank. We have Brian engineer in the UK. We have China Zam, is a data analyst in DPD Ireland. We have Emmanuel. Those are going to be the people that are going to be taking you through this journey. Okay. So after you get it takes 1 month virtual growth internship earlier, where you get to work about you what have you. Okay. Now for these are like the different parts that you can specialization, HR, operations, supply chain, even data analytics specialization. Okay, so the growth internship is free, completely free. You don't have to pay. You don't have to pay for it. And the whole essence of the internship is to make you stand out. We need you to stand out. We want you to stand out. And so we do these things to ensure that you are able to stand out and position yourself appropriately. Now, our next cohort is starting on the 1st of July, 2023. The next cohort is starting the 1st of July, 2023. Okay. So this is the program fee. The original program fee is £400, which is 320,000 naira. But for the early birds, we have a discount. For the early birds, we have a discount. Okay. So you get to pay for the first 20 persons that register, you get to pay £300. Okay, so this is the discounted amount. Let me I'm just going to highlight that. You get to pay 300. Okay, so you get to pay 300, right? And that will be you get to pay in 2 installments. So the first installment you'll be paying 200, second installment you'll be paying 100. Okay, now if you're paying in naira, you're going to be paying 270 instead. You're going to be paying 270. So you get to pay 180 first. You get to pay 180 first, then you get to pay 90,000 later. All right. For those paying in dollars, you get to pay 400 USD. You get to pay 300 first, then you get to pay 100 later. Then if you're paying in Canadian dollars, you're paying 500 Canadian dollars. You get to pay 350 Canadian dollars, and then you get to pay 150 Canadian dollars later. Okay, and yeah, so make the first payment to register. To register for this program, you need to make the first payment. So if you're paying in pounds, you're paying 200. If you're paying in naira, you're paying 180. If you're paying in US dollars, you're paying 300. If you're paying in card, you're paying 350. So you need to make the first payment to register. If you want to register for this program, for the one starting on the 1st of July, you need to make the payment to register. And if you want to be able to pay the discounted fee, then you need to make your payments. Once we get to the first 20, every other person will be paying £400 or 320,000. Okay. Okay, I'm just trying to okay. Now, so the balance we paid second, after you pay for the first installment, then the balance would be before the end of the program, like a month into your program, you get to pay the second payment. Okay. And we have the account details on here. If you're trying to pay now, you can just take a screenshot to get the account details. Now, after you've made your payments, you click on this link right here, and it takes you to our registration page where you upload your details so that we can send in your welcome kit. Now we have testimonials. You know how to be sure that to key in to let you know that we actually mean business. We have a couple of people that will be coming on to speak. They've had their program with us. Some of them are currently undergoing their programs, and they are doing so much already. They are doing really well for themselves already. So they want to come and share with you their experience so far. So June. Okay, yeah, I'm going to send the link to upload the videos, the receipts. So please hold on for a minute.
Okay, thank you, Damilola. So we have Damilare Eweje on the call. So Damilare, over to you.
Okay, hi Damilare.
All right. Hi, good evening, everyone.
Hello.
Please confirm if you can hear me.
Yes, we can hear you. Would you like to turn on your camera?
Right, okay, I'll just do that face up. Right, can you see me, please? I think it's a bit dark here.
Yes, yes.
Is it better? Is it
Yes,
manageable?
definitely.
All right, all right. All right, good evening, everyone. Please, I'd like you to show me some love with your favorite emoji, if you can hear me, just like we do in 10 analytics. All right, so I won't waste much of our time because I know you've learned a lot already today. So I'll just go straight to it. And thanks for the people sending the emoji. I appreciate it. Thank you very much. So my name is Damilare Wije, and I'm currently training with Analytics. Sorry, and I'll just like to let you know that I was once in this position, like in this class that you are right now. This was how I started. I came to the masterclass. I heard everything, watched everything, and I just didn't even know anything about data analytics or analyzing data. But just like you've learned today, and you're like, so what next? What do I do? I just decided to take the bold step, right? So I decided to take the bold step and decided to take the training. And I can tell you for a fact that it has been nothing short of amazing, right? So I'm very, very happy I took the step because that's more like the best step I took that time, and I'm so glad I did. So it's been very, very good, and it's been a very, very enjoyable journey for me. And everything the previous speakers have said, like the first person that trained you on Tableau, and even Oluwadamola right now, everything they said is all on point. You're going to get whatever they tell you you're going to get. So that's just it from me. It's been a very, very wonderful journey. And I think I'm being asked to show you a bit of what we've been able to do. Like I said, I came from the point of not knowing anything about data to the point that I'm able to build something, work on several projects. So with the little time I have, I don't know if you permit me to just share a little bit of what I've done to encourage you guys that you can do it. If I can do it, you can do it as well.
Yes, please go ahead.
All right, then. Thank you very much. So please confirm if you can see my screen.
Yeah, it's coming. Yeah, we can see your screen. Wow, this is fantastic.
Right. So this is it, guys. This is one of the projects I worked on, and this is me coming from a place of no data analytics idea or background or anything to designing this thing. This is, I just don't know how to put it, but if I can do this, like I said, you can do it as well. So this is just a data set we got to analyze the World Cup. So it's a 5-year period data set. So we get to analyze the performance of different teams, what they were able to do. And you can see what I've done here. And I've been able to show this is similar to what you learned today on Tableau, but I was able to design this on Power BI. So like I told you, be exposed to different tools. So this is me using Power BI. I've worked on Tableau as well in the period of time that I've been with Analytics. So it's been wonderful. So just to let you know, it's an interactive dashboard. Just to let you know that this is not screenshot or something. So this is a filter that I created here just to let you know what I've done. So I'll just go to the top performance team because in this analysis, the top performance team was Germany. So I'll just quickly scroll through my filter and show you what Germany was able to achieve in this analysis. All right, so this is Germany here. I'll click on Germany. You'll see what's going to happen to my dashboard. Voila, you can see this. This is what I'm able to do, me coming from a place of no data idea, no data analytics by idea to doing this. So guys, you can do this, you can do this. And if you see my, the downside of my screen, you see that I have 3 pages. This is the general analysis. We actually also do an in-depth analysis on France's performance and Nigeria's performance. So I also have a filter here also that can equally take me to that page. So if you see me doing this now, this will take me to France page where I analyzed France performance, and also I can go back to the home page where the very first page, and also I'll quickly show you Nigeria's performance as well. Sorry, okay, yeah, it's back on. So you can see Nigeria's performance as well. It's going to come up very, very soon. Yeah, you can see, so this is so interactive, and this is, you can tell that this is a wonderful job, although I'm not praising myself here. I'm just happy that I was able to learn all of this from Analytics. So guys, that's just it from me. So I would just want to wrap up. I would just like to tell you that the best time you can start this training was maybe last year or 2 years ago. And the next best time is right now. So go ahead and take the bold step, sign up for this course or training. And I can assure you that you won't regret doing that. So thank you very much, guys, for having me tonight. And enjoy the rest of the evening.
Thank you so much. That was fantastic. Thank you so much. I really love your dashboard, and I wish you all the best. And always know that Analytics is always supporting you all the time.
Thank you very much,
Thank
Damlola.
you.
Thank
All
you
right. So that's Damilare. Damilare, sorry, when did you start your program again?
February, actually, February.
He started in February, and you can see the amazing stuff that he's doing already. So he already said, when the best time to start was 2 years ago, the next best time is tomorrow, 1st of July. So thank you, Damilare. Really enjoyed it.
All right. You're welcome.
Okay.
Thank you very much for
Have
having me as
a
well.
very nice night. Thank you.
Yeah. Goodbye. Bye, guys.
Bye. Okay, Joan, do we have anybody?
Okay, so unfortunately, Sahid is not available to speak, but Damilare is the only person. That's fine.
Okay, so that's fine. All right, guys. So yeah, that's basically it. If we have any questions, any concerns, please drop it in the chat and we'll take your questions. Again, the program will be starting 1st of July. So the time to pay is now. And how can I be here? Okay, so Wale, you're a civil servant and you want to learn this skill. Definitely. So what you need to do is just to register, pay, make your first payments, then upload it to the link provided. The link is also in one of the my colleague has dropped the link in chat. So upload the link, upload your receipts to the link provided. We'll send you your welcome kit, and before you know it, you're getting started already. Somebody's saying, other persons who work on weekends, what would be the flexibility? Okay, if you work on weekends, we have the morning session and the evening session. So you can choose to, join the morning session if you don't work in the morning, or join the evening session if you don't work in the evening. All right. And I also said earlier that all your classes are fully recorded. Okay. So if you miss a particular class at any point in time, you have the option of going back to the Google Classroom to watch the recordings. You have the option of going back to the Google Classroom to watch the recordings. I'm going to show you what the Google Classroom looks like so you can see for yourself. There is no cause for alarm. If you ever miss any of the classes, you can always go back to the Google Classroom to get the recordings and watch. And also your teachers, your facilitators, they are fully available to respond to you. So this is one of the classes from April. This is the Google Classroom. You can see, I'm just going to start from the beginning. You can see they started with the problem solving class. All right, started with problem solving. They add login details for the class. They add the class recording. They add the slides as well. So everything is uploaded right here for full access, lifetime access. Okay. Then we have the watch media videos for the Microsoft Excel class where they add their first module and also the materials as well. Okay, then you can see the Microsoft Excel live class. All right, and yeah, it goes on and on and on. We use the Slack channel. There's a video for how to join the Slack channel. Microsoft Excel. After Microsoft Excel, they add their Power BI, and it goes on and on and on. So if you ever miss a class or you're busy, you can't, you're unable to make it to class, all your classes are fully recorded. I hope that answers your question. Do we have any other questions before we call it a very beautiful day? Any other questions? Okay, there's a question here. Okay, perfect. Okay, good. So Eze will be hoping to see you in class. Yes, you get certificates. I mentioned it earlier that we have the certificates. Our certificates, yeah, so this is it. We have the industry relevant certificates. After your program, you get a certificate showing that you've undergone the training and that it's fine. It's showing that you've undergone the training and that you can do, you can now be fully hired as a data analyst. So yes, we do give certificates for the program. Okay, so do we have any more questions? Do we have any more questions? Okay, so we're looking forward to having everybody here in class. So what you have to do is just to, pay the first installments, and then we'll take it up from there. So join our next cohort, which is starting 1st of July. Okay, Kofi, we have a PayPal link that you can use to make payments, right? So if you look at the link, if you look at one of the PayPal link and Paystack as well, so you can either use PayPal or Paystack. Okay, so if you click on the links that one of my colleagues has been sending, take you to the payments link for PayPal where you can make your payments. All right. Do we have any more questions? Okay, so thank you so much for coming, and we really appreciate you for coming. If you have further questions, please reach out to us on WhatsApp and we'll